Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone has iOS 14. 5 or later and Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi are enabled. Place the AirTag within 1 to 2 feet of your phone. This proximity triggers the pairing prompt. Tap Connect when the card appears. This exchanges ID securely using Bluetooth LA. Once done, name the item and register it to your Apple ID so Find My can associate location data for you. This is how the system links hardware to an account and prevents unauthorized reuse. Next, you configure how the AirTag reports and protects location. Choose or type a label so the Find My app shows a clear item name. This helps you scan lists quickly. Make sure precision finding is on if your iPhone has a U1 chip. This uses ultra-wideband for meter-level direction. Also enable lost mode and add recovery contact info. That way, if someone finds your tag, they can see your message but not your Apple ID, which preserves privacy while aiding return. Finally, you use and maintain the AirTag. Open Find My to see its last known location, play a sound to locate it, or follow precision finding arrows for exact direction. Replace the CR2032 battery when the app shows low battery. This keeps continuous reporting. If the AirTag shows offline, make sure it was within range recently and enable Notify when found. This asks the network to update you when another Apple device sees it. If problems persist, restart your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.